Alright, well, since I'm doing this inspection, I might as well just do it on video. So, I do this on, I like to try to do this probably on like a quarterly basis or something, but sometimes I do it early. But, I don't really know how to say it now, but, alright, let's just get to this. The first thing that we're going to be doing is testing the carbon monoxide alarms. I don't have any carbon monoxide testing spray, so I'm just going to test them by pressing the test button. And if we look over here, there's actually an alarm right there, so we're going to be testing that in a little bit. The next one will be the smoke alarm smoke test, in which I'm going to be using my smoke saber right here to and check the alarm sensor, make sure that one's all working. And the last one will be the smoke/CO alarm battery test. I'm going to be using this voltage meter right here, and to check the voltage and make sure the batteries in all the alarms are still good. And yeah, let's just get right into it. So the first thing that we're going to do is going to be testing the carbon monoxide alarms. So let me just put on my hearing protection because it's going to be extremely loud. Alright. So this is just a Kidde KN-COSMB combination smoking carbon monoxide alarm. So we're going to be hearing both the smoking and CO sequences.
Fire. Warning, carbon monoxide.
There we go. That one's all good. This one is in the basement hallway. Let's test this one.
Fire. Warning, carbon monoxide.
Alright, this one's good. This one's a gas and CO combo. There we go. It's going to go back to 0 in around 20 seconds, but I'm not going to wait for that. That's all of them in the basement. Now we're going to be testing the ones in the main floor. Got this one right here.
Fire. Warning, carbon monoxide.
There we go. The next one is actually right here. I'm pretty sure you saw that green light flash. And believe it or not, there's another one right here. This is the loudest one in the house, so prepare yourself.
Fire.
we go. This loud sucker is still good. And here's this one in my room. This one's temporarily installed. It's not permanent. I don't know how to say it. It's not going to serve its full 10 years. Because I still have to get KNCO PP3 for my room. This is just a KNCO BBLP. It's my collection. Might as well just test it. Alright. Still good. Alright. The carbon monoxide alarms passed the test. Alright, the next task we're going to do will be the smoke alarm smoke test. So, let's get going.
Fire. 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 Fire.
Yeah, no idea why I chirped twice, but okay. I'm telling you that's not end of life, that's just... It activated hush mode in a weird way. Seems like it automatically cleared because it's no longer flashing every 2 seconds. And there we go, it just flashed the green light for normal operation, so it's not end of life. Alright, this one's still good. Went off pretty quickly, despite being ionization. Alright, now let's do this one in the basement hallway. This one's fluoroelectric, so this one might go off just as quick as the KNCO SMB in the laundry room. Or not. A little bit slow. Might have to spray it again. Yeah. Same thing coming out of it. There it is.
Fire. 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 Fire.
Oh, there we go. Hush mode. Oh, okay. It's going off again.
Fire.
Too much smoke.
Fire. Hush mode activated.
There we go. There we go. Yeah, I think I'm a little bit low on Smoke Saber because I didn't really see as much gas, but that's probably me. I probably just didn't see it. Alright, that one's still good. Surprisingly a little bit slow. But who knows, it might just be because of the airflow. Okay, let's do this one. This one's dual sensor, so it should have a pretty fast response time. Okay then, have to do it again. There we go. Okay, I didn't need to hush it, but I'm just gonna fan it out a little bit more. Okay, that should be enough. Alright. Now, time to go to the main floor. Or wait. escape light alarm right at the exit of the basement. I don't think that was a good angle. Okay, it still went off despite the terrible angle. Oh, okay, I guess it reset itself, but I'm just gonna fan it out just in case. Yeah, that should be good. Alright, this next one has intelligent sensing technology, so it might be a little bit slow. We'll see though.
Fire. 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 Fire.
There we go. Hush mode activated. Actually, I should be using the other side. Alright. I think it's flashing faster than usual because this has alarm memory. And whenever I acknowledge it, it's gonna go through another test sequence. So I'm not gonna do that right now. Let me just check. Yeah, it's flashing every 16 seconds, so that indicates smoke previously detected. I'm gonna acknowledge that off camera. Alright. Okay. Test this one. Alright, I hope that's enough. That was hard. Alright. Let's do this loud sucker now.
Fire. Fire.
There we go. Hush mode works like a charm. Seems like automatically cleared as it's no longer flashing every 2 seconds. Yeah, this one clears pretty quick too, which is a good thing. Alright, that should be enough. Hopefully it doesn't scare me while I test all the other alarms. Alright. In this bedroom, another dual sensor. There we go. Okay, it took a while for hush mode to kick in, but it does work. And out a little bit more. There we go. Now my arm's getting tired after that. Yeah, it is flashing every 10 seconds, so it's in hush mode. It shouldn't go off again. Alright. Alright, got another one. I'm just gonna close this door because can't see USB is right there. Okay, cleared by itself. Alright, should be good. Alright. Alright. Same reason, closing this door. Alright. There you go, instantly hushed. Okay, it's not flashing every 2 seconds, so it should be clear. Just gonna fan it out just in case. And since this one is a PI 9000, I have to reset its alarm memory, so here's nothing. There we go. Smoke alarms, pass. Alright, the final thing we're going to be doing is the smoke/CO alarm battery test. Alright. Test that. Voltage meter. I nearly dropped a unit, don't want to do that. .5 volts. 1.5 volts. And 1.4. Alright, this one's good. Healthy batteries. So this one will stay. Alright, this one's going to be pretty easy to test because of the front load battery door. .5 volts. Fairly healthy battery. It should be fine for probably like another 6 months or something. This one's going to be a little difficult to test because you have to twist this one off and open up the battery door, which is a little bit of a pain to do. That was actually a lot easier than I thought it would be. Alright. Pop in positive first, then negative. Okay. Alright, what does it say? .7 volts. one's good. Alright, this one's gonna be a little bit hard to do because it's kind of the same concept as the one I just tested. But it has this connector, so I gotta be careful not to short circuit it, or else it's gonna make a loud racket if I do. So I'm gonna be a little bit careful with this one. .4 volts. This one's good. Alright. It should go back to an AC power mode. There we go. Alright, test this one right here. Nine volts. .8 volts. Alright, let's test this one. I acknowledged the alarm memory while I was testing the others, so it's not going to be flashing every 16. It's going to be flashing every 30 now. Okay. .5. 1.5. And 1.5. This one is perfect. These ones can be difficult to test since you have to open the battery drawer, take out the batteries, and then test it from there. And what will it read? .4 volts. Test this one now. 1.4 volts. All right, these two are good. All right, test this one. You just have to be careful and not hit the button to set it off, because that would not be fun. .5, 1.5, and 1.5. This one is perfect as well. Alright, let's test this one. .9 volts. Alright, test this one. Low battery, whatever. That was my meter. 9 volts. Alright, test this one. .8 volts. Alright, this is the last alarm. .5, 1.5, and 1.5. Alright, that one's good. Alright, smoke alarm and CO alarm battery test. Pass. Alright, that's everything tested and everything is passed. Alright, this concludes this video. I will be doing another test eventually. I don't know when, but soon. And that will be it.